everyone. Today I'm going to show you something simple thing, how to cover and trade the hair and do retouch about the face too and make everything look nice. So I'm going to show you every tips and tricks on how to do it. Let's get to it. Okay, so I'm going to make hair straight and I'm going to show you the techniques and how easy for all of us to use this skills or this method to do it. So first you're going to make sure you're going to choose this color, the white color, and comes to this rectangle and just stretch it like this. Okay, and push it here. Okay, so I'm going to show you every sequence and how to do it, how to measure it, step on it. Okay, and use the warp to make it straight like this. Okay, so when you're done with it, make sure you're going to crop this line. Okay, then hit Ctrl J and you push it forward like this. Okay, so let's check when you push it forward like this. Make sure you're going to use eraser tool and reduce it a little, and we're going to use this one to clean. Take your time to follow the steps well, and let's just take this all out. Okay, so I'm going to show you my way and how I used to do it all the time. Okay, so let's check it before and after. Yeah, so I'm gonna cover the side. Well, it doesn't seem great, so I'm gonna use the eraser to clean this side, so that's gonna match. Okay, how this one is great for you. So let's see before and after. So then we're going to clean this side. Okay, to get this, so let's say before and after. Yeah, then when you're done with it, just move to this side, or you can try it like this. You can use the pen tool, this one, the pen tool, so make it straight like this. Okay, then you go to session and then you cut it, Ctrl J. So when done with it, just duplicate it again, Ctrl J. Then you hold Alt and click. Then you drag it to the side. This one is not bad. Okay, then you clean this side. But anytime you're working on it, make sure you're gonna increase it so that you're going to match it well. So let's see before and after. Great. So I don't like this side, so all the thing we're going to do is that we're going to choose black and take the opacity, the sorry, to click on this brush and turn the opacity to around 30 and increase the pen to size and step on it. Okay, great. So let's see before and after. Yeah, so great. And next step, we're going to make sure this data is going to be clean. So I'm going to set it from here. Okay, and hit Control J to cut it. Okay, to cut it like this. So I'm going to click on the one I cut right now and move to image adjustment, and then move to here on the saturation and move to the yellow and turn the yellow saturation to 0, and let's increase the depth to make it white like this. Okay, so is a way to do check before and after, and the lips here. So we're gonna cut it like this, like the same way, and move to image adjustment here on saturation and increase this and turn this to the one you like it to be. So I'm going to make it cool like this. Then when you hit OK, make sure you choose eraser tool, make the opacity 100% and reduce the size of the brush and clean it like this. Okay, okay, and okay, it's nice. So let's check the before and after. Okay, that's it. And then here to we go to crop it, cut it like this, Control J, and make sure you just increase this. Okay, or you can make it any different color you want. Now this, and then hit OK. Make sure you just clean it like this. Okay, you just clean it. I'm not showing the easy way to just work on the stuffs. So let's see before and after. So you can change when you're done with it. You can change the color anytime like you want it to be. So let's just give it this one. Okay, so see before and after. That's it. Okay, and the skin, just work on the skin. So the skin, I'm going to move to the hue again. Okay, and I'm going to turn it to be like this and increase it a little like this. And when I hit OK, the skin is not the same. Here the color is different, and here too the color is different. So I'm going to choose where I prefer to be. So I like this color. When I choose it, okay, make sure you just move to color replacement, to then you increase the brush size. Then you just step on it like this. If this one's difficult, the one's difficult for you to see. Okay. So we're gonna take all the stuffs out. This is not good. Okay. Okay, so I think we are done with this stuffs. Okay, and there's a lot of things we're gonna do about this stuff, so we're going to add all those things together. Hold shift, then highlight them and then control E to add them together. Okay, then we choose this brush, dodge 2, and let's just increase the size and step this side, and the same thing to this side too. Okay, in here. So I think we need to just reduce the size of the brush. Okay, that's it. So guys, this is what I just want to show you today. So I'm gonna drop the videos for you to just see the complete of this image and just work on it, the same thing. So guys, subscribe to my page, like and comment, and see you for the next video. Bye.